Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn some more important topic from the matrices. So here the second point from the matrices is orthogonal matrix. So when you say that matrix is orthogonal, here the matrix A, if we have a matrix A, is said to be orthogonal if A into A transpose is equal to identity. Identity matrix means what? We have a diagonal contains all one entries and other than diagonal all entries are 0. So if we take the product of A and A transpose, if you get the values as identity matrix, then the matrix that A is called as orthogonal matrix. So we can remember this as a note for your future competitive exam as well as for future studies. Whenever you have an orthogonal matrix, determinant of A is either 1 or plus 1 or minus 1. So this is the important note we have to remember here. Now based on this orthogonal matrix, we will see one problem on orthogonal matrix. So show that, first question, show that A equal to cos theta 0 sin theta 0 1 0 minus sin theta 0 cos theta. We have to show that this matrix is orthogonal matrix. What does that mean? Whenever the question is show that the matrix is orthogonal matrix, then we have to check what is A into A transpose, right? So here we will write first of all what is given. So given matrix A is cos theta 0 sin theta, then 0 1 0, then minus sin theta 0 cos theta. What is A transpose? A transpose means we have to write all the rows as column. So this is the first row, write this as a column. So this is cos theta 0 sin theta. Second row 0 1 0, this is the row, we have to convert that as column. Now next minus sin theta, then 0 and then cos theta, correct? So we have a A transpose also, therefore we will check what is A into A transpose. So A into A transpose is cos theta 0 sin theta. We will substitute this value. Correct? And now here A transpose value cos theta 0 minus sin theta, then 0 1 0, here sin theta 0 cos theta. We will check what are the values you will get here, correct? So first row, first column, cos theta into cos theta is what? Cos square theta, correct? Plus 0 into 0 is what? 0. Sin theta into sin theta is what? Sin square theta, correct? What I did, cos square theta, 0 into 0 0, sin theta sin square theta. First row, first column over. Now first row, second column, cos theta into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, correct? And sin theta into 0 is also 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, what is that? 0, right? Next cos theta into minus sin theta. So what you will get, cos theta into minus sin theta means minus cos theta sin theta, barabar. Then 0 into 0 0, and sin theta into cos theta is what? Sin theta cos theta, so plus sin theta cos theta, correct? Now next second row, first column, 0 into cos theta 0, 1 into 0 0, and 0 into 0 is also 0. So what you will get here? 0. Next 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 is what? 1, and 0 into 0 is 0. So 0 plus 1 plus 0 gives you 1. Next 0 into sin theta 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into cos theta 0. So all the values here are 0. Now next third row and first column, third row first column, we will check what is that value. Minus sin theta into cos theta, what is that? Minus sin theta cos theta, right? 0 into 0 0 plus cos theta sin theta. Correct? Cos theta sin theta, because cos theta into sin theta. So this and this I multiplied. Now minus sin theta into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, and cos theta into 0 is also 0. So this entry is 0 you will get. Now third row and third column, minus sin theta into minus sin theta, what is that? Sin square theta. Correct? And 0 into 0 is 0, but cos theta into cos theta is what? Cos square theta. Correct? But we know that in 10th standard also we have seen that cos square, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta, what is that? 1. This is trigonometric formula. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, and therefore what you will get this matrix as cos square theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So therefore we can write this as 1, then 0, then this cos theta sin theta plus and minus get cancelled. So what you will get here? 0. Next 0, 1, 0, minus sin theta cos theta and plus cos theta sin theta get cancelled. So what you will get here? 0, 0, sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. Correct? So here I got matrix which is identity matrix. So this is the very important problem from your orthogonal matrix. So this matrix is orthogonal because we have shown that the product of A and A transpose is identity. So if you like this video, then please subscribe, share and comment on video. We will see in the next lecture what are the singular and non-singular matrices and problem based on that matrices. Thank you.